Folks, I just want to warn you right here. I'm really sorry. I didn't prepare. This speech is going to be boring. It's going to be awful. Should you warn your audience that you're going to be boring? No, that's a horrible idea. Sometimes people feel like, oh, I'll lower expectations, so this way if I'm really awful, I'm off the hook. Well, no, you're not off the hook. People have come into a room to watch you, or they're watching you present online or any other place. They're just listening from the standpoint of, is this person going to say something interesting or useful to me, or are they going to waste my time? If you're wasting people's time, you're wasting people's time. Telling them you're going to waste their time doesn't remove the sting. So don't lower expectations. Instead, spend your time trying to figure out how to say something interesting. Doesn't have to be the best speech in the world. Doesn't have to be wildly funny. Just give people one interesting idea, something you have to say that's going to be useful. Act like you find your presentation interesting and useful and exciting. Even if it's not the single most exciting topic in the world, focus on one thing that's interesting. Put a spotlight on that. If someone else wants to make the judgment that you are boring, okay, you're not going to debate them, but you're not going to make it easier for them to come to that conclusion. So no, don't tell people, and you don't get any points for being authentic. Don't tell people it's going to be boring. Just speak in as interesting a way as possible.